everyone, I'm Erica, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm so excited you're here today because we're talking about a blending bundle that'll make your kitchen life way easier, the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender Bundle. If you're ready to say goodbye to chunky soups and hello to creamy professional purees right in the pot, this set is your all-in-one solution. Picture blending a big batch of tomato soup without transferring to a blender or whipping up salad dressing in a bowl with no extra cleanup, all from a powerful stick with 5 speeds and handy attachments. No more hauling heavy machines or dealing with spills. This pro-grade bundle turns everyday cooking into smooth sailing. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll see why the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender Bundle is a smart grab for any home cook. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let's break down the features of this blending bundle. First, the star is the immersion blender itself, with a sleek wand about 18 inches long and a comfortable grip, weighing just 3 pounds, so it feels light in your hand for long sessions. The blending shaft is stainless steel with a wide plastic bell guard that has big vents to pull in ingredients without sucking up the pot's bottom, fitting any container 4 inches wide or larger, like stock pots or mixing bowls. The power comes from a 625-watt motor that spins the 4-blade assembly up to 20,000 RPM on high, tackling fibrous veggies like carrots or kale in 15 seconds for baby food smooth results. It has 5 variable speeds, 1 for gentle stirring, up to 5 for heavy pureeing, with a turbo boost for quick bursts. The bundle includes a whisk for beating eggs or cream, a mini chopper bowl for garlic or herbs, and a blending jar for single-serve smoothies. Safety features include a 2-button lock to prevent accidental starts, and the bell guard keeps blades away from pan sides. The 8-foot cord gives plenty of reach, and the whole thing is dishwasher safe except the motor, though hand rinsing is best. It comes with a 1-year warranty, Vitamix's trusted quality, and a recipe guide with 30 ideas. The price is around $180, a great bundle value. Okay, now for the honest scoop, pros and cons after blending soups, sauces, and more. Pros first. Number 1, the 5 speeds give you control for everything from light mayo to thick hummus. Number 2, the attachments make it a multi-tool, chopping onions in the mini bowl or whisking batters without extra gear. Number 3, the long shaft reaches deep pots without splashing. Number 4, it's lightweight and balanced for easy use. Number 5, cleanup is a snap with rinse and go parts. Number 6, it's quieter at 70 decibels than many. Overall, it brings Vitamix power to handheld blending. Now cons, because balance is key. Number 1, the $180 price is higher than basic immersion blenders. Number 2, there's no variable speed dial, just 5 fixed speeds. Number 3, the chopper bowl is small for big jobs. Number 4, the 8-foot cord might need an extension in large kitchens. Number 5, it's corded, not battery powered. Number 6, the whisk is good, but not for super stiff peaks. But here's the deal, the pros make it a winner for most. If you cook soups or sauces a few times a week and want versatile, powerful blending without bulk, this bundle fits perfectly. It's not for heavy-duty chopping, but for immersion tasks with extras, it's a yes. So, my recommendation, snag the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender Bundle today. It streamlines your recipes and saves space. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your pots will love it. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more bundle buys and click the link to support us. What's your first blend? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. You rock. If this helped, like the video, share with a friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.